In this item list view, we can see that there is a lot of items for us to be able to get through and to search particular information. So you can use the search box, or you can press F3, which is a shortcut key. And here, for example, if I'm looking for table, I can type table and it will search not only the text against the name, but also all of the columns for that particular text. So if I was to type Athens, I can see the Athens. I can turn around Mexico. We could look at chairs, and it's used the item category code here to turn around and filter.